Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solutions, and today I am going to discuss another important topic of Java, that is why string is immutable in Java. Like in float, we cannot change the value of a variable in string. So we will discuss detail in this tutorial, and also we will discuss how we can make it mutable. There are some classes or methods are there. Through by using that classes and method, we can also make it mutable. So why string is immutable? Once assign a value to a string variable, it cannot be changed. That is called the immutable. Once we have assigned a value to a string variable, it cannot be changed. And when we try to assign new value to that string variable, it will store in a new memory locations. Like for example, if we are writing the statement string str equal to Tarun, it will store in the inside the string pool memory. This large box here defining this heap memory, and inside that large box we have created the string pool here. This table refers to as the string pool, and this is the stack memory. So when we creating that variable string str equal to Tarun, then that will be stored in memory location 101. And if again we are trying to assign some new value to that string variable in str, string str equal to OCA, then it will try to stored in another memory location, that is 102. Instead of changing the value of memory location 101, it will stored in another memory location, that is 102. So this is for this reason only string is immutable in nature. We cannot change the value of that variable. Instead, it will show how many times we will try to store new value to that same variable. It will store in another memory locations in the string pool. And the reference of str, here I am writing reference of str changes from 101 to 102 now. Hence, strings are immutable. Another way we can also create the string variable, like using new keyword like string s1 equal to new string Tarun. If you will create in this way, then also it will not going to store in the string pool. Instead of, it will going to store in heap memory. Like it will not store in string pool memory, it will store inside the heap memory as an object, but refer to the string pool memory only. Hence string is immutable. It will store in the inside the heap memory, not in string pool, but the address of that string pool also refer to the same string pool memory. For that reason only, the string's value will not change. It will refer to that variable, and it will try to store in another memory location inside that string pool only. But string cannot be, but string we can make it mutable. In Java, string is immutable in nature, but we can make it mutable. There are two ways through which we can make a string mutable. That is, first one is string by using StringBuffer and by using StringBuilder. And both having the same functionality. The StringBuffer and the StringBuilder both have the same functionality, but the difference is the StringBuffer is thread safe and the StringBuilder is not thread safe. So these are the predefined class StringBuffer, StringBuilder inside the Java. By using the reference of that classes, we can change they are providing some methods. Through that method, we can make it mutable. We can make a string as mutable. How we can do, we will see in practical. Okay, let's go for practical implementation. Now I am going to open my IDE STS, and here I will create a project, new Java project, that is string demonstration. Okay, and here I am going to create a class string demo. Okay, now I am going to create a string here. String str equal to just save and run the program. Okay, it has printed the value of that variable, that is Tarun. Now if we again will write str equal to OCA, then it will the value of the variable, it looks like that in the str variable it will change the Tarun and a new value OCA has stored inside it, but in reality internally that not happens. Actually in that OCA has stored in some another memory location inside the string pool. So if we want to make it mutable, then we should take the help of StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Anyone? StringBuffer SBF, object SBF equal to new, we are creating the object new StringBuilder. Sorry, StringBuffer, new StringBuffer. And through that string object here, if we want to append something, there are many methods are provided by the buffer, like SBF dot. So you can see here there are many more append, and many methods are there, char, code, delete. So you can change these things according to your. You can append and yes, I am appending it. SBF okay, now in this way we are creating the, here we are assigning the value through the string buffer only, and we should print here also SBF. See, if before appending we will print the value here, then SBF replace. See, before appending, the value of the object SBF is only Tarun, but after appending we are appending it in Chakraborty, we are appending here, and the new value of SBF is then check out here the value of the variable has changed. The object value has changed from Tarun to Tarun Chakraborty now. You can also replace. You can also use replace like SBF dot. There is a replace int start, int end, and string str. And there are three arguments it will take. Start from which index you want to change and up to which index and the variable and is the variable. Okay, replace start means if we want to change from or appending 0 to end is 5 and here we are writing the OCA. Is the new value OCA. Inside double quote I am writing OCA. Now just save and run the program. You can see here the Tarun is the 0 to 5. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 0 to 5 letters change to Tarun to OCA. And also you can in the same way you can also delete. There are many more operations you can perform through this object now. SBF not delete. It also taking start and end. From which position you want to delete, from 0 to suppose 3. Okay. Yes. First it will printing the Tarun by from this statement and then it will delete this OCA 0 to 3. If we will add 0 to 4 then it will also delete the space also. Just save and run the program. Okay. So in this way you can modify the value of the string variable and you can achieve the mutability, mutability property of the string. And another thing is since string is immutable, it is fast. It will fast. What if we using the string buffer, string builder, it will be slow the execution time. And in the same way we can also the string builder. String buffer and string builder the same. Difference is one is thread safe, string buffer is thread safe, and string builder is not thread safe. You can also use string builder also here instead of string buffer. In the same operation is same, no problem. Okay. Same output you will get. Okay guys, thank you this much in this video tutorial, and if you think you have learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.